So he has not given yet. So everybody was like,
Go trip 3 months.
oh. I'll zoom it and show you.
Any pool bay.
But
In real, here UT is banger.
why are you feeling shy?
I am Hindi bhai, no Tamil.
Do not. Hello everybody, let's burn out. Get ready to go Ooty. You know, as I told you that I'm going to Ooty now. So we are going to enjoy together. You guys will enjoy virtually. I'll be there physically, but you are not going to feel virtual because I will be with you. I'll make you feel that you are there as well. Yes, so after a long time I came back on my YouTube. I don't know I'll be continue or not, but whatever it is, it will be crazy. It is going to be crazy because after working so hard, I'm just going to get refresh myself, and I assure you that you are going to enjoy with me. Yes, everybody, you are going to enjoy every single thing that everybody is waiting there, and I am also going in my bus, and so let's see, we'll meet again and I'll come back. I need to pee. Okay. Hey, I peed and came back. Actually, I'm so excited and nauseous, man, looking for this. Actually, I want to talk to you guys lots of things, but video will be so long. That's why I'm not able to talk lots of things because I came here after a long time, as you know. So I'm not going to talk to you too much, but yeah, I will try to show you every single thing, which will be crazy. So alright guys, I have left my home and everybody is waiting for everyone. So now we are going to be together, everybody. So we'll leave Kochi after few minutes, I think. So I'll show you everything after a few minutes. So I have reached there where we have called everybody, and nobody has reached yet. Only I'm the one who has reached, and I'm literally punctual here while it's about tourists and all. And except tourists, I'm not at all punctual anywhere else. So there is also being punctuality is must, but nobody has reached yet. So I'll have to wait for them. And what exactly happened when you go for trip and all, people will make you wait, and this is really not good because I am here alone waiting for everybody. It's okay, we'll wait for few minutes, half an hour, whatever. We'll meet again when everybody will come. Bye bye. So after waiting long time, one of my friend, he reached finally. What's your name, bro?
Aman.
We are going to be crazy. We are going to be crazy. So hey everybody has reached finally. So he is the protagonist of our tourist team.
And his name
So
is
what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Shahbaz.
Okay, that's nice name, really. Yeah. And literally I'm telling you, he's the leader who has managed everything and where we have to go, when we have to go. So just want to explain something.
His name is Aman and he is a very good boy. And he is very excited.
Oh.
Go trip 3 months.
Oh. 3 months.
3 months. He is Faisal.
Faisal, can you just turn back, Faisal?
Brother, just come and you can capture Rabbani. That's one, bro. You can look. You can look him, bro. What a look, bro. What a look. Just look at this guy. You can see, bro. What a look. Sleeveless. 150 tractor.
Okay.
Army tent. You can see, bro. His name is Shahanshah.
Shahanshah.
You can see his look.
Yeah, let him come, then we'll show. Right? Anyway, he will come. Why are you feeling shy?
I am Hindi bhai, no Tamil.
Do not get shy and nervous. Just be shameless here, okay? You can talk in English. Start. Another.
He managed all tour, kharcha, urcha.
What's your name?
Mohammad Fayaz.
Okay, he's a nice guy and he has the right who will give everything.
We are very
So-
happy.
Yeah, we are so excited and anxious to go Uti.
Yes,
Now he is going to give the budget of our trip. So he has not given yet. So everybody was like making him fun. So his ego got hurt. So he gave immediately. And our leader has collected that money. How many people has given you that money?
10 people.
Oh. Good morning, बच्चों. उठने. Hey, उठ रे नरसिंह, उठ रे. सवेरे हो गया. चाय पीने रे. चल, चाय पियो, चलो. So we left from there 1 o'clock, but we haven't reached yet. We will reach I think 8 or 10 o'clock. So we just came here to have tea and snacks because everybody is so hungry. So that's why you saw that buddy was getting hangry. That means angry plus hungry, that means angry. So we'll have tea and snacks, then we'll go from here. This is the view we are getting from here while going, and the beauty of Ooty has started now. Just wait and watch how beautiful Ooty is. So hello everybody, we have reached at Ooty after 10 hours. It's been 10 hours. We were traveling in the traveler, so but we didn't get yet the room because room is not free. So still we are looking for that. So the weather is moderate, not cold neither hot. So after then we'll go to room because we have come here. This is the garden. I don't know what's the name. Just look at the garden.
This is the garden.
And I don't know when we'll go to the room because we need to get fresh, and also everybody has got tired. So we need to sleep. Everything we need to do, but still not able to do anything. We have slept nicely. So let's see what we'll do. Now Shahbaz will tell you what we have to do.
We have to be rest, bro. Rest.
Rest is very important right now. How is the weather? Like you have traveled so far. How did you feel?
Very cool, bro. Very cool.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Okay.
Shiny pool, be.
But
In real, here UT is banger. Very cool, but in reality, very hot.
yeah. his mean when we were watching the reels, it was literally showing that here a little bit was foggy, but today's weather is so hot.
Sunny.
So we are, I think, you can say unlucky. It's really sunny. You can say like everybody is glowing. So again, he want to say something.
Unlucky, we are called Hindi panhoti.
Ah,
That is unlucky.
जैसे
okay.
कि इधर
सादा में जैकेट खरीद लिया ठंड
रील में देखे थे कि पूरा आइस गिर रहा है
हाँ।
और इधर समझ नहीं आ रहा है, पूरा सन आ रहा है, सन।
Sun.
यस।
सन को कुछ बोल नहीं सकते।
कुछ बोलना है?
सूरज हो।
But still, I would say weather is like moderate, neither hot nor cold. So we are also so hungry. We need to have something. We haven't eat or drink anything. So we are looking for that. So let's see what will happen next. Then we'll meet after a few minutes. So we have fixed our deal with this guy, and I'm going to this horse ride.
साला उठा फेंक के फुल्ला पड़ा पड़ा
पूरा
I'm just getting experience with this horse. Actually, it's nice, but it's a little bit scary as well because he's saying while returning, this horse will run. So it's like unstable to sit here because I'm sitting already first time. So hey guys, I have done my horse ride. It was amazing and unique experience, and also it was, I told you, like little bit scary because it was literally volatile. But this all are, we are here to get this. After horse riding, now we are going to boat ride, right? So we may ride boat ride because we just have paid entrance fees, which was 25 rupees per person. So let's see how much it will be a boat ride cost. Then if it will be affordable, then we will go, inshallah. So this is the place. For this thing we have paid 25 rupees per person. But now when we saw this, so it is not really worth to 500 per two person. So just have a look. We already have done all this experience. So this is the place where they all do boating and all. So we have decided that we are not going to go for the boat boat riding because it is too costly, which we can't afford, right?
Right.
We can't afford. It is too costly. So we'll see another thing, something which must be unique because we already have done all those things. So no need to go. So everybody got nervous because the expectation was different and reality was totally different. So now we are going to back to the room, but we haven't get yet that room, but still we are looking for. As soon as we'll book that room, then we'll enter. But now we are going to go to our room, nowhere else, because we got so tired, and that is why we are not going to anywhere. We are just going to our room. So hey everybody, we got a room, and actually we have booked all villa. So I'm going to show you how many rooms in this villa we have booked, which cost 20,000 per night. Let me show you all the things. This is the first room, which looks like a hostel, and he has given us this bathroom, and this is the hall, and one more this room. Then I'll show you another. This one. Let me show you view. This is the view we are getting from our rooms, which is not bad actually. 20,000 per night. What you'll get? This is what you deserve. So I'm literally again so excited and anxious that we are going to enjoy from here. Like now we are going to get ready. We are going to get fresh ourselves and then we'll have lunch because we are so hungry. We have not had anything till now because we were so busy and so exhausted, and while we were coming here I was feeling so sleepy. Not only me, everybody was feeling sleepy, and I was literally drooling while sleeping just because I was so exhausted. And then, so I'll show you after getting fresh. Okay, so I got fresh. Hey, I am here now after taking bath. So here is so many people here who has not taken bath, but I had to take bath because I was literally feeling like so outlandish, so uncanny you can say. So that is why I took bath. Now I'm feeling literally vigorous, energetic, whatever you can say. So now we'll go. I think we are already in Ooty. So we have to go to our place. Let's see, we haven't planned any yet. So we'll go now. Let's see where we are going. Hey everybody! Now we are literally going to enjoy. Now it will be crazy. The weather is so cold. So everybody got ready and we are just about to go out. And I'm staying in this room, but I saw in this room one quote has written that is literally amazing. I'll show you. This is what it has written. Life is bitter when nobody knows anything about you. Exactly what it happens when nobody knows about you and what you can do, that is only you know, right? So this code, I love this code. So now we'll go outside and we'll see, we will explore lots of things. While scrambling here, it seems like we are going for the hunting. Since everybody was busy to explore this place, where I was busy to capture every single moment just for you guys. So hey guys, finally we are going to outside. Actually we got late, so bus driver was not ready to go. So what we did, you know, we are so mischievous. So now we are going by our own way. You can see this is, I think this is the most dangerous place in Ooty because it seems like we call in Hindi what we call apatkalin log. Yes, it seems like that place something because nobody is here. Not even one birds, animals, nothing. We are here just only. So alright guys, we have explored this place and now we are going to back to our room. So it was good experience because there was nothing that much to see, but we enjoyed. At least we were sitting in the room instead of roaming. So actually it's good that we roamed here and we enjoyed. And here's the view right now. Everybody is going now. Now everybody came to have dinner because everybody was starving, not only hungry. They were starving for the having dinner. Food was literally delicious and delectable. We have done our dinner, so we're going back to the room and